operating for so long. We really will try our very best. Alright? So, promise me, we go one group, we take one shot, okay? We're not individual, too long. Thank you. Once again, thank you so much to all the fans. Thank you for your wonderful support. I know you guys are all excited about it. I remember the last time we had such a reception for Singapore Swimming, man. And we really appreciate that. So we're trying our staff from Singapore Swimming Association, these guys out here, we're trying our very best to quicken things up, right? And so that our main priority is to try to get as many fans to take a photograph with Joseph as much as possible. So that's our main priority, okay? Oh, thank you. To this group, thank you. Yeah, okay. Hug quickly, Joseph. Hug quickly, yeah, okay. Thank you. Really appreciate that. You know that group of girls? Yeah. They wanted individual, but I told them to try not to, but you know, yeah, they help us out. Thank you so much. So selfless of each and every one of our fans. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Ooh. Okay. Thank you, Mommy. No. I just wanted to thank you for understanding and quickening things up. Thank you so much. Especially to this fine man in blue. We may be slow, but look at you there. That was an advertisement a long time ago. I don't know what advertisement, but you know. Yeah, I think the main priority for us is to try and get everybody to take a photo. That's now our main priority. Like I mentioned earlier on, Singapore Swimming has not had this kind of reception for a particular swimmer ever. So we are very overwhelmed by this.